Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I'm going to be working on the pathway that goes through the trees in my backyard. I have a pathway through there right now, but earlier this year my dogs were after some moles and completely dug up that area and destroyed that pathway. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm getting some thicker edging to go around it so I can build it up a little bit. And then I've also got to go in and get all the weeds out of that area and clean it all up. And then I'm going to be mulching that area completely. I have one side of it mulched, but I need to mulch the other side to make it all look good. And then I'm going to be filling it in with new rock. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and take you over to that area and show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. Okay, I showed you this area in my last video, I think. I've got this side of it completely mulched in, and it looks a whole lot better than it did. This area over here has never been 100% mulched. So now that it's all completely mulched in, it looks really good. And then I have this side of the pathway that I've got to mulch in. I had a little bit extra from when I was doing this over here, so I just put it over here on this side. But the majority of it needs to be mulched. I've got some weeds that I've got to get out of here. And then I'm going to be working on the pathway. And I may even have to clean up some of my hostas. Some of them are looking a little sad. We've had temperatures up over 100 this week, a couple of days, and I've tried my best. I need to get drip tubing run through here, but I haven't had a chance to do that. And I've done my best to keep everything watered, and most everything's looking pretty good. But there's a few things that I need to clean up a little bit and get some of the dead off of it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to finish the edging. As you can see, I started the edging over here, and I need to do this side over here and then finish it up all the way down and then fill this in with rock. And then I'm going to come in and clean up all the weeds and clean up the plants a little bit and mulch this side of the pathway as well. So here's my progress so far. I've got most of the weeds out of this area, so now I can mulch it. I got up to this point and had to stop because I need to go get 2 more edge pieces to go all the way to the brick, and then I can finish that up. So I'm gonna run to Lowe's real quick and get those. But it's already looking a whole lot better all the way back. I have a little bit of a lip in there. I'm gonna fill it up with more rock. I think I want to go a little bit higher. I want there to be a little bit of lip to hold the rock in really good, but I think I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more. But so far, it's looking really good. This area is looking so much better now that I have the rocks cleaned up and all the mulch in. And I went in and cleaned up the plants a little bit to make them look good as well. Now if I can only keep my dogs out of it, it'll be perfect. While I was working on this area, I decided to widen the entry of it a little bit more, and I like how it looks. I am still going to put another layer of rocks down, and I'm sorry, I hope you can hear me clearly. The cicadas right now are going crazy because it's evening time and they're really loud. So sorry for the background noise. But I am planning on doing another layer of rock. I'm not gonna go all the way to the top of the edging because I don't want the rocks to spill over into the mulch. But I am gonna do another layer, kind of raise it up a little bit more. But I'm not gonna be able to do that tonight, which is not really a big deal. It still looks good the way it is. This area over here, where all the weeds are, back there in the back, you can see where I did the mulch. In a previous video, I laid down some cardboard over the weeds to smother them and put mulch over it. And I'm gonna continue that all the way down to this mulch up here. I've got to go get some more cardboard boxes to lay out. Someone in the comments mentioned that I should go to an appliance store and get some large boxes to cover more area, which is brilliant. I'm gonna do that and see how many I can get to get this area completed. But anyway, now I'm gonna go around and get everything watered in really good and call it a day. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.